Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Virgos for the month of April 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of April. So, yeah, let's see what cards have for you, Virgos. Alright, great Virgo. So, this is your energy of the month, that is the Magician card. Card number is 1. So, you will be doing something which will give you a lot of success. You will be very graceful. People will get attracted to you. People will, they will believe that you have the solution to their problems. They will be very fascinated, towards you. So just make the best of this time. Enjoy. All right. So the first week cards are Wheel of Fortune, Strength, and Queen of Swords. So here I see that you have kept patience. You have whatever has happened with you in your life that has made you very, very strong. You have become a kind of a person who is attached to people but with detachment. So, you don't think about people too much. Sometimes you might be a little rude also, but because you are Virgos, I don't know, I don't see you showing it in your words, but it could be in your actions, or it could be you know just detached with people who are not serving a good in your life. So that kind of a thing I see. But whatever has happened, if a good time was not there, trust me, a good time is coming your way. So be prepared, be happy. Something good, something new, something positive is going to come your way within this week. So enjoy this time. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates, please. Alright, so the next week cards are Death card, Nine of Pentacles reversed, and Page of Cups reversed. So here I see something ending. Oh God, I don't know how to say this, but I have already done. This is my sixth reading right now, and from Aries till Virgo, this is a constant card. This card is coming in each and every reading till now. It has come. I don't know why this is coming, because it's like everybody wants to start something new in their life. They just want to end something and want to start something new. So I hope it is a good ending and something starting of something new. Whatever is ending in your life, basically this ending phase is not going to be good. I won't say that it is not going to be good for your future, but definitely when things end, you don't feel good, right? So that kind of a feeling I see here. You might be a little worried about your finances. You might be a little worried about your emotions, how you are going to do certain things for yourself, for your family, whatever you have planned for. So that kind of a thing I see here. You can be I see you being little worried about your finances. Maybe you might think of ending a job. You might think of ending a policy, something related to money. You might think of ending. So that kind of a thing I see here. The third week cards are Seven of Wands reversed, King of Swords reversed, and Ace of Swords reversed. So, in this particular week, again, because you have just ended something in the second week, so obviously something new might not come up within a week or so. It takes time to start, and it could be a slow start, but there you might try. If by chance you have ended, just for example, if you have ended a job, you might try applying here and there, but there will be lack of clarity. I don't see new things starting up. There could be you might be little worried, you might be little stressful because you want to start with that new job as soon as possible. Moving towards the fourth week, the cards are Hierophant, Nine of Cups, and Four of Cups. So I see here something new coming up. I won't say something new coming up. Someone might give you some suggestion. Um, could be your partner. If you are married, it could be your partner. It could be someone who whose suggestions you listen to, whose advice you listen to, and that will make you very, very happy, because you will be happy, you will give to other people, your presence will make other people happy, but somewhere deep down you will still be waiting for that gift from the universe. You would be praying that, oh God, I really hope, I really wish that I get that particular thing in my life, and then life will be sorted. And I want to get back to my position. I want to get back to that stable life. That is what I want. But by fourth week, I feel lot of things emotionally, at least, you will be doing much, much, much better. So that's about it, Virgo. Still, if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box for the daily and the personalized reading. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And that's about it. Hope it helped. Good luck.